Meron akong good news. I'm so happy. I'm so happy because of this. Charan!
This is my mother blog, Mr. Cardi.
Mrs. I'm so happy. Nanalo ang Mr. Ko sa parapol.
Monthly they will choose the winner for this. So
And then?
there will be limited prize.
Okay.
So in that my coupon is choose as a first prize. one of my coupons out of 35, one of my coupon is choose as a first prize.
Okay.
That to first prize.
Yeah.
And the first prize is
And this is the first prize, guys! Pero bago kami bumili ng laptop, may plano talaga kami bumili ng kama at saka ng aircon. Pero kinansel na namin yung aircon. Papalitan na lang namin yung electric pan namin dito kasi nga maliit.
it is 50,000 rupees, but there will be government tax
How much?
30%.
How much will be?
So 15,000 there will be government tax. So I'll get only 35,000.
It's okay only. It's like you don't feel bad also because it's like you got it like a free, no? You got it like a price, no?
So there is a story for this. So when we buy the when we went for buying this one laptop.
For Ate Sian.
So we went to two places. One is
Not only two, so many
so many
there.
places we go, but two places what happened?
We decided there.
We decided already. The Reliance we went first. So we are going to pay the money. That time they said out of stock.
Yeah, it's not available.
It's not available.
And we are like, I'm like a sad that
very
time.
sad.
Because
Like we spent so much time.
because only 2 days or 1 day it's Sian's birthday. So I'm like worried. I want to give to her birthday only. So what we done? We visited again next shop.
Yeah,
No,
Lulu
after
Mall.
that Lulu Mall we went and it's not available, right?
It's also not available there. Then we went to Chroma.
Chroma. Yeah.
Chroma is available, and everything is when we reach Chroma, they are doing the processing of payment. My credit card they use, but it was like
They
some
don't know how to.
how to use that credit
Yeah,
card.
it's a new credit
New
card.
credit card. So there is some issue in that credit card. So and it is too late night. I think 10:30,
Yeah.
and it's
And
closing.
they're-
It's
they're
a closing time.
Yeah.
So finally they decided, sir, it's not possible because your credit card have some problem like that something. Then we came out from there.
Yeah, I'm like
So this
disappointed.
is disappointed there, and there is only one day left for the.
Yeah, only 1 day left. Oh my God, what to do? So we are thinking that we will tell to Sian after 1 week only we will give. But then Nitin told me, God always have a better plan.
That day itself, I
Yes. When we are going home, God always have a better plan
Just
for
believe.
our
Yeah.
plan. Just believe. And then he got the laptop, and everyone is happy. We celebrated, and we are not expecting these guys, right?
Yeah, this is purchased in the different shop.
Yes.
So there only this offer I got.
When Nitin told me about this, I'm like, oh my God, yeah, I remember what he told. The God has a better plan for us. So it's like we planning for buying the new bed for Shushmita and changing our pan. And I think this is the answer.
This is the answer. We can buy now.
50,000 pre-shopping at Pi International. Nakaka-happy. Basta natin, guys. Ang galing ang swerte. Oh, 35,000. Ayun lang yung pwede mong gamitin, guys. There's a expiry of this deal.
Yeah, 3 months.
Oh, 3 months. Ayan, gift voucher. So, ayan siya, guys. Ang saya lang. Gusto kong i-share to at gusto kong i-vlog kung ano yung mga bibili namin dito. And excited ako na mag-shopping sa Pi International. Nakaka-happy, no? Nagsuot ako, guys, ng malaking hikaw. Sabi nyo kasi bagay sa akin. Kaya, alam nyo naman, minsan uto-uto ako. Nakakaramdam ako ng gutom. Pangalawang beses natin kakain dito. Nagugutom na ako kasi kinain ko lang kanina itlog. So, kain tayo dito, guys. Alam nyo ba, itong maliit na tindahan ng biryani, guys, napakasarap ng tinda nila kaysa sa tinitinda sa restaurant. Wow! Sobrang sarap dito guys, as in. At saka wala silang ibang branches guys. Nag-iisa lang sila sa Bangalore. Sarap. Ito talaga yung cravings ko guys eh, yung military biryani. Tsaka yung sa Hyderabad na biryani. Super sarap dun. Ang satisfying ng lasa. Sobrang sarap. Tapos yung chicken, sobrang lambot. Hindi daw chicken. You don't have chicken, ha?
Sir,
Is there? No. Ay, bigyan na.
I am always eating, no, this one. When I said it's there now, you want to get.
Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap talaga dito, guys. Kung gusto niyo ng masarap na biryani sa Bangalore, tapos mura, dito na kayo.
Who is in the army, no? Owner of this is army, and he started this. He is a cook there.
Ang sarap nung crispy na curry leaves. Tapos may pipino. Masarap to, may Sprite. Wow. Sarap.
Only biryani rice 60. Chicken biryani 110. Kebab 4 piece, no? It's 90 rupees. See, 260 rupees. 2 person can nicely eat.
So, andito na kami guys sa Pai International. At titingin kami ng mga dapat bilhin sa napalanunan ni Mr.
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಾನೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಪ್ಪ ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Let's meet the bed na. Cute. Sobra-sobra ang swerte. Sobra ang blessing. Sobra-sobra ang naging blessing kasi basang-basa kami ng ulan. No. That's okay. Thank you.
Sobrang sarap. Cold naman.
Ma, sobra-sobra ang blessing. Pati kami basa.
Mama, how do you got this on?
Nakauwi din pero sobrang basa guys. Ang lakas ng ulan. Grabe talaga ang ulan. So ito yung mga nabili namin guys sa halagang 35,000. Hindi pa pala ito lahat kasi yung may single bed pa to at saka yung lamesa pero i-deliver pa bukas. So papakita ko lang kung ano yung dala-dala namin. Ito bagong electric fan. Sabi hindi daw to maingay at saka may kasama siyang ilaw ma.
Ilaw?
Oh, ayan may ilaw.
Hindi na kailangan mag
Hindi daw to matunog, hindi daw to maingay ba? Yung alam mo yung electric fan pag binubuksan may tunog. Ito daw wala daw tutunog. Maliit kasi yung electric fan namin dun sa kabilang kwarto kaya naisip namin ito na lang ang ibili.
Sobrang sarap.
Tapos, Mama, tiga mo ma. Ma, bumili ako nito lagaan ng gatas. Hindi daw aapol yung gatas dito. Bumili din akong sandok. Sandok para sa gatas.
Hindi daw aapaw.
Hindi daw aapaw.
Bakit?
Ha?
Bakit?
Kasi matatapon daw. Matapon mo na yung mga pinggan nating iba, lalo na yung mga may basag. Maganda to pag may sabaw, oh.
Ay, oo.
No? Huwag mo lang isipin na pagkainan ng aso. Ito guys, oh. Ganito yung plato ni Tinani, sobrang tagal na. Tag-isa sila nila
Para
Sandy.
hindi matalas.
Di ba? Pagkakain sila.
Yung isa, yun ang itapon natin, yung matalas, nakakasugat.
Ay, wag yun. Kay Nitin yun eh. Kay Nitin yun eh. Matagal ng panahon yun.
Nakakasugat yun eh.
So, ganda no? Pagkakain sila dito, sila Sian. Pero mama, huwag mo ito itago ha. Gagamitin na yan.
Ang alin?
Ito, mga plato. Tapos, di ba naalala mo yung may ganito tayo, yung dala ng kaibigan ko, na ayaw mo nang ibalik.
Ano yan?
So, pag nagluluto ng
Chapati.
chapati, di ba? Ano,
Oo, ang maganda yan.
di ba? Ganda nito guys, oh. Yeah, that's what. Palagay ng nuggets, ma.
Ang ganda.
Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda, oh.
Mas maganda yan kaysa dun sa ano.
Plastic na, ma.
Maganda.
Lagayan ng chapati ba, guys?
Tapos pag may pritong manok,
Pag may pritong manok, o kahit anong ulam na pinirito, kaya may ano, almusal ba, bagong luto, dito ilagay.
ganda.
Mama, huwag mo to itago ha. Tatago na naman to ni Mama sigurado. Sian! Tran! Uy!
May bagong ano.
Ganda?
Oo. Ang ganda.
Tapos ito bago mong baunan.
Sana all.
Sabi nita! You have new water bottle!
Ay, ang ganda.
Sabi
Ano
nito.
ito? Kay Sandy rin?
Mita is black, Sandy is red.
Wow, look
Ano?
oh.
This is your new water bottle. San-
What's my gift?
Your bed is coming tomorrow.
Sure, this one bottle.
Your new water bottle.
Pwede ko ba rin tanggalin? Oo, tayo.
You're going to get me ice cream.
Hey, how can we buy ice cream? See, so much raining outside.
We'll get it.
This one is for you, Sano. I want to buy you like Ate Sian also, but there's no color pink.
Wow, ganda.
See, oh. This one, red. I got a red. Oh, I thought I got red. It's okay to you na? You're both same?
Write the name.
What, red?
Red kasi yung isang ganito eh.
Ah,
See, you have a big water
I
bottle.
want mine.
nice no?
Ang ganda oh.
Hmm.
Ang ganda.
Mama, Mama. Look, now this is mine.
Right?
See? Ta-da!
Thank you.
Ah.
Welcome. Pwede yan mo sa snacks ko. Oh. Pwede yan na lang.
Oh,
Para siyang box,
ulam.
para siyang box ni Felix. Di ba? Alam mo ba kung paano namin ito nakuha lahat?
Shit, ito guys.
Dahil sa binili namin laptop sa'yo. Nabasa yung relo ko, dear. My watch got wet.
Hindi yan nabasa loob yan.
Off. How to switch off?
Huh?
How to switch off? Hey, it's waterproof.
Waterproof? Bukas darating yung bed ni Sushmita, tsaka may table kami binili pa. When you will change the pan, now only? They call now.
Ang galing, mailagay na nyo yan. Ang
See,
lamig
times
yan.
now, maybe they will go home. Ito yung dating electric pan, guys. Sobrang liit lang. Pagka uwi, guys, dahil nabasa ng ulan, ang sakit ng ulo ko, tapos nakatulog ako saglit. Pero ginising ako ng mister ko para ipakita ang bago naming electric pan.
See the
Wow,
number one
my-
means one number, huh?
May pailaw. This is one? So much air now. Make it two,
Two number, two light.
four.
Four.
Till what number?
Hyper. Six.
Ang lakas. Hinugasan na ni Mama yung plato, guys. Oh. Ang ganda ng plato, oh. Sarap. Mm. You like your new plate?
So, Mama.
Wow! Ma, malambot yung manok. Malambot.
Weh,
Mm-mm.
akala ko matigas kasi malalaki.
Malambot. Gamit-gamit na namin guys yung pinggan, oh.
Mushroom sauce, hindi kayo kumuha?
Parang ang sarap lang ng ganito.
Oo. Pwede.
Alam nyo guys yung ganitong pinggan. Uso to dito sa India. Mas gusto nilang kumakain sa ganitong pinggan kaysa yung mga pinggan na may mga design. Kaya nga, pag sa Pilipinas, para tong pakainan ng aso. Pero dito sa India, special tong ganitong pinggan. Sobrang sarap. Kain ka na rin. Chicken na sarap, no?
Yeah.
Walang tatalo talaga sa chicken ni Mother.
Patis lang yan, tsaka ano. Wala kang kalamansi.
Ang sarap.
Patis at tsaka breading.
Nagluto si Mama guys din ng mushroom soup ba? Sasawsaw natin yung chicken. Kunin natin tong mabuto. Ayan. Sobrang bagay. You like your new plate?
Yeah. It's so beautiful.
Give me anak ko.
Ayan.
Chickeny.
Yeah.
Sarap ma.
This is mine. Did Audition already eat?
Not yet.
Can you tell Audition to eat?
Sarap. Muchos. Sarap makain.
I like it.
Kami ni ate.
It's so delicious.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mama.
Naku, yung retreat pa niyo. Buksan niyo yung pinto. Lahat na lamig.
Mama, did you see the new fan?
Yeah, nice.
The light is there.
Oh.
We need to keep for Ate Siana and Mama to ha.
Mama, you know how your plate looks like when you was a kid?
It's like a...
Leave.
No. Like this also, but white color. Then there's a
Lava also.
blue line here.
Oh, I know this plate.
Like that also.
Like that also, but there's a white color. Here.
Ay, dito ako.
Dumating na yung table na para dito. Pero itong table na to ay talagang hindi ako agree. Kasi feeling ko hindi siya bagay dito. Pero gusto siya ng mister ko. Pero kahapon, hindi ako umuo sa kanya. Sabi ko, pag-iisipan ko pa. Pero hindi niya narinig. Ay, kaya nung binigay na namin yung coupon at pauwi na kami, tinanong ko sa kanya kung ano pa yung mga binili namin. Sabi niya, table, tsaka yung bed. Tapos tinanong ko siya, anong table? Sabi niya, yung nakita natin doon sa taas. Sabi ko, ayoko yun, hindi yun maganda, hindi yung bagay sa bahay eh. Pero wala, naibigay na yung coupon and nainis na lang ako sa kanya at titignan ko ngayon, titignan namin kung babagay ba or ano ba. So, let's open this. Are you excited?
Yeah, I want to prove myself.
But why you decided it like this without asking me?
Because it's brown. And the same color.
Can I see? Can you close?
Wait,
Down.
down, ano?
With
So the side.
Like this one.
Brown and the same color.
I think it's easy to put this, I feel.
Tanvi, you people are so egg.
Sian! Sian! Get the box, anak.
The smaller box.
The
Red color.
I'll hold
Yeah.
it like this.
Red color box.
With
orange.
And you just get
Orange, orange.
that inside here. No, that's. Whoa.
Oh, can I
Gimme, gimme.
feeling ko hindi siya babagay dito. Gusto ko kasi sana may lagayan pa sa ilalim ba. Pero nagustuhan siya ni Mister kaya kinuha niya. Wala naman sanang problema. Kaya lang, hindi kami nagkaintindihan na kinuha na pala niya to. Sabi ko kasi, pag-iisipan ko pa kasi baka may mas makita pa kaming mas maganda. Pero kinuha niya na pala kaya nalaman ko na lang, pauwi na kami. Tingnan natin kung babagay ba.
Anymore?
You need to remove this first. Give me. Remove. Fold properly, ha?
Your table is ready.
Mama, I will help.
Where is your papa?
The papa's behind it. Comfortable. Mama, it's my bed. Come. It's my bed. They left my bed.
They left your bed.
Yeah, they left it.
Come side. Mita, side. Here, sir.
Mama, are they going to fix my bed?
Yeah, they will fix your bed now.
Mom, I'm so excited. Huh? So excited. I'm excited.
No.
English.
Yes.
English.
Translation by first speaking.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, very nice. Super. What is your name?
I'm Sushmita.
Wow, very nice.
This is my bed. This is my bed. This is my bed. Mama, what's that for?
This for your bed.
No, what's that thing for?
That's your head bed.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, another one. Mama, look, another one. That scared me. Mama, are you going to sleep here? Or are you going to sleep right there?
I don't know. Maybe outside only.
No, Mama,
I'll sleep with you. Okay.
Mama and Papa sleep together.
And then you is.
Dad.
The bed is getting ready. Matagal niyang pangarap yan.
I bring Sammy over. Oh, so
So beautiful. What?
Sammy said my bed is so beautiful.
Ang ganda ng bed niya.
I will sleep there forever. Wow, we have a house. Look, we have a house. Mama, we have a house.
Pero mo, libre lang yan nakuha. Ang
So, you
galing.
can play hide and seek with
May
Mother.
bago ng bed si Mita. May bago pa kaming electric fan.
No!
Ang galing talaga. Magpagaling.
Yeah, baby.
Oo.
Ow. That hurt my ears.
Dahil may bagong bed si Sushmita, ayan nga yung bed, oh. Nandyan na. Tinanggal na namin dito yung, yung malaking bed, yung queen size. Nandun na siya sa labas. Gusto kasi ni Mita, may sarili siyang bed. So, natutulog kami sa lapag ng mister ko. So, siya yung nandyan. Ngayon, nung isang araw, nagpunta kami ng IKEA. Pero hindi na yun kasama sa coupon, ha. Bumili kami ng bagong bed naman para kay Ate Sian and Sanbi. Kasi matagal na yun gusto ni Ate Sian tsaka ni Sanbi, yung bunk bed. Si Sanbi kasi matatakutin yun, gusto niya may kasama siya. And kasama din nila si Mama May matulog. Ngayon, darating yon, binili namin yun sa IKEA nung isang araw pa. Gusto kong ipakita sa inyo na may bagong bed nga rin si Ate Sian and Sanbi. Tapos bumili din kami ng bagong kutsyon nila na super lambot. Itong kay Mita, hindi to ganun kalambot, pero papalitan namin yan kasi nga, pang samantala yan muna ang kanyang kama. Tinatanggal ng mister ko yung bedsheet kasi pinapatanggal ni Mama Mi kasi daw baka madumihan. Super happy ni Mita guys na meron na siyang sariling bed. Pang ano yan guys pang adult na single bed.
Sa IKEA.
Yes. Tawag sa akin ma, sir.
20 minutes in the waiting room.
20 minutes? Waiting where?
Carnival work ಆಗ್ತದ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡ್ಲಿ
Hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Bagong bed ni Ate Sian and Sanbi.